Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So Craft Shop Metals just came out with these awesome coaster-sized aluminum panels. These are called Alurim, and I'll post the link down to their website in the description so you can check it out. This is the gold. They have it in silver and in white gold as well, or rose gold, sorry. And we're gonna do a pretty little beach scene on these today. So this is some Stone Coat Countertops epoxy, and I like the gold here, and I'm thinking that that will actually work for my sand. So I'm just putting clear down for the sand. But if you don't have a background that will work for the sand, you can use, you know, anything that looks like sand, like a gold or tan or cream, anything like that. In terms of colors, I've done these with various browns and golds as the sand colors. Okay, so we've got some clear down. Now what else I have here is Alumilite Ocean Blue Translucent Dye, Illuma Dust Blue Green, and Stone Coat Countertops White Base Tint. These can all be gotten from Stone Coat Countertops on their website. So I like to start with the dark. This is the dye, the ocean blue dye. It is one of my favorite colors. And I'm going to start at the top here. We don't need a lot. I just mixed up tiny bits of these. It was kind of hard to mix up that little amount. And you can use such a wide variety of blues and stuff for this. It's not even funny. Okay, so there's that. This is the blue-green Alumidust, which is a mica powder. I'm going to just use the stick to add a little bit of that in there. This is such an easy process, guys. Trust me, it's very easy. You should get the supplies and try it. And I'll put a video on how to mix the resin. I'll put a link down in the description on how to mix the resin. Okay, so there's that. And then lastly, we're gonna add a little bit of the white base tint. And on this, we need to go as light as possible. Don't worry about the fact that there is a little gap there. That doesn't really matter. In a second, you'll see why. I might need to add more white, but I'm going to try it with this and go from there. So I'm going to just turn these around for my ease. And next step, we're going to use a heat gun. Don't use a hairdryer. It is not a substitute for a heat gun. A torch may work, but here we go. This is your sound warning. So I am going to get in there with just a little bit more white. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. This one definitely came out better, I think. I've never done this on such a small surface. So that was interesting. I'll need to practice a little bit, but I think it came out pretty good. You know, you can keep playing with it as much as you want. You can add more white, you can add more blue, you can have more sand, less sand. You can even put real sand in there if you want. So let's go ahead and we'll do a close-up. All right, starting with the one on the left here. You can see the progression of the darker to the lighter. Or sorry, that's the one on the right. And then here's the one on the left. I like this one a lot more. I think the white came out a lot better. I may actually go back and add a little bit more white to this one. But definitely happy with this one. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Go check out Craft Shop Metals. Check out their aluminum panels. They're awesome. They come in all different sizes. Check out Stone Coat Countertops. You don't actually need to do anything else to this, but once this dries, I will be putting probably one more thin coat of the countertop epoxy on there, just because that's the most heat resistant. But you don't have to. This is also pretty heat resistant. And I will see you all next time.